Hi guys.
Hi guys. So, you know what, Rachel? Josh?
Yes.
I was thinking, you know what? If my kids can have fun making slime, well, why can't I? So I thought I'll make some slime too. Whoa! There's my glue. I've never made slime before. So let's see if I can figure it out.
Mine was a little messed up because I put too much activator and now it's rubbery.
I put a lot.
No!
Hope I didn't put too much.
Yeah, I don't think you did. And if it gets a little sticky, you just need to mix it and then it'll be perfect. You just gotta keep on mixing it with your hands.
Mm-hmm.
Because it worked for me, so it
So,
should work for you.
if I get lost, you can show me how, right?
Okay, I will. If you get it.
Because you guys are professionals. You've made it once. Yeah, if you've made it once, you're a professional, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Maybe.
Maybe if you made it 12 times, you're a master.
Let's see here. I don't know. It looks like it needs something. What does it need?
I think.
What do you think it needs?
I think it needs more activator.
Just a little bit more, and then you
bit
can
more.
mix it with your hands after.
Okay.
That's enough.
She said, oh no, that's enough. I don't like the way she said that's enough. She's laughing. So maybe I put too much in here.
And then,
It's like I'm going to scramble eggs. That's the way I get my eggs. Okay, so.
and when
let's-
you're done, you can mix it now
Let's see.
with your hands.
Oh, gooey. It feels like I got my hands in a bowl full of eggs.
It
Oh,
looks
wow.
like guts. I did it felt
Wow.
Organs. It's so strange.
Ooey, gooey. It's like when you go in a haunted house and they
Ghost.
stick your hands in this bowl of stuff that looks like
goo.
goo and with mustard and
It's
ketchup.
slime's goo. Ghost goo.
Oh, wow.
It's part of
It still
ghost.
feels really gooey.
It's-
Okay. So,
Yeah, you just gotta
It's
mix
a
it.
ghost. It's ghost.
Yeah, like that.
oh, like that? Hey,
yeah,
Oh,
it's
like
a
that.
ghost.
I like yours. It's so cool.
Oh, like that. It's just solid white.
Yeah, I like the white.
If you make it with red or
I
turn
like
pink.
it.
Don't use red or turn pink.
You need to use a lot of red if you,
Want it to turn red.
but not a lot of red, cause yeah.
Okay.
Only if you want it red.
All right.
And if you want to test it, just get a little piece of slime. If you want to.
Give me some red.
I thought
I
you were
think
gonna
you
use.
need a lot.
But
I
not
don't
that
think I
much.
need a lot.
Oh, maybe
give me-
turn pink.
Take the lid off for me.
Yeah, cause that has
Because you might squirt it all out. Do you
Mhm.
like it?
gooey. I like it though.
Okay. Okay, here, let me have this.
Gooey.
Whee!
It's melting.
It's
A little bit of
smelting.
red.
It's smelling, not smelting. No, it's spilling.
Oh. Oh, it's turning, but it looks
It's turning red.
maybe a little pink. Might need more.
What?
Looks like a marble, like a pink.
Look at that.
Red. Yeah, you might need more, or you could just use pink. I like that color. It's nice.
I'm thinking of
But it's not.
Christmas.
I want red.
Christmas.
Oh, it's turning pink.
But I
Like my shirt.
Ming
I
Ming
actually
just
planned to
sleep.
put a little something
Else.
else in here.
That reminds me of
Blue.
Ooh, blue.
Ming Ming.
But I need to put a little bit more glue in there.
That's a lot.
Okay, I'm going to mix this up.
Okay, guys, so that's gonna
But
mix
let me
it
see
up.
some blue.
Okay, I'm gonna give that the
What
blue.
color do red and blue make? You know?
Purple.
Yeah, purple.
Even pink and blue make purple. That's
like-
weird.
Okay.
I like purple.
I'll add a little bit on my hand.
Do you know that I used to make printing ink? Different colors.
yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
You've told us before.
Yeah, let's see what this is going to look like. Ooh, look at that. Cool, it looks like cotton candy, right?
Yeah, cotton candy. I love cotton candy slime.
See, this is fun. If the kids can have fun, so can Dad.
Whoa, I like that color.
Oh, look at that.
It's cotton candy.
I haven't got the rose thing yet, but.
Yeah.
Get this off.
Oh my gosh. It's so noisy, this slime.
I think I put red in. That was a bad
Yeah, look at
idea.
that. I'm going to put more red
Yeah, I think you need red.
because I want it darker.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's a lot of red.
I like light colors even.
I like pastel, like that color. I also like some dark colors, not all like black. It's so dark. It's like the darkest color, I think.
Of course.
And oh, I like that. To me, the red looks like a purple a little bit because it's turning purple. Yeah,
Go like
that's
this one.
amazing. I like that. I'm gonna make swirl with mine.
I made mine.
Okay, I made mine, guys. Look at mine.
Right. I gotta make.
Look, it's staying. It's not melting. It's amazing.
Look, guys.
Whoa, I like that. It's so nice.
I put yellow.
Mhm.
Whoa, it's like melting all over your hand. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna judge Dad's slime.
Okay.
Let's see. Ooh, it's like jiggly slime.
I put a
But
lot of
you didn't add water, so it really isn't. But it feels, oh my gosh, it feels so good, better than mine.
It
I
feels
really-
better than mine. I put
It's stretchy,
mine
which is
is
good.
super sticky now.
Wow, I'm getting some good judging over here, guys.
Yeah, I know.
Mine is super sticky.
Where's yours?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Wow, I got it good.
I give you an A++.
A++. Wow.
I like it.
What does Josh give me?
A plus.
Wow.
I really like it.
Can I touch it? Oh my, it's really jiggly.
You
Oh, this is ubi.
Ubi
Ubi
cake.
halaya.
Ubi ice cream.
It's a booger.
This is Joshua's. Oh my gosh, it's trouble. It's not done.
I think I need glue.
So what 3 things do you judge on?
The texture, the color, and how it looks.
And the sound and the bubbles and all that good
And
stuff?
the poke. It's a good.
The poke test. You gotta have the poke test.
Yeah. Like, JQ's mom, if there's no poke, she doesn't like it that much.
Oh, yeah?
She just says it's okay.
And the bubbles. Look at those bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me see. Let me get the, let's see if I can make a bubble with this. You just wait, I'm gonna
I
make
put
a
a
bubble
lot.
test. Oh.
Oh,
we made
yeah. That's a
little
big bubble. Look at that.
We made a bubble. The bubble test is good.
What about the bouncy test?
Okay, let's do the bounce test. Perfect! For jiggly slime, that's how it's supposed to be.
Is mine supposed to?
It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a
That's
really
good.
that.
Well, it really bounces. Ah.
Oh my gosh! At least it's not that sticky. Whoa, there's.
Wow. So I did good, right?
Yes.
You guys taught me well.
This is amazing. I should have not added a lot of activator.
I think I added a lot of activator.
Yeah, but it's still good. Mom, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. This is amazing.
Give me my slime. Gimme. Yes.
I learned how to have fun with my kids making slime.
Yeah. I found some white.
Even though it's normally a kid's thing, it seems, Dad had fun making it.
Yeah, cousin Jake.
And we got to do it
Dad
together.
did it.
A family that makes slime together, makes slime together.
Of course, dude.
That's a camera girl.
So the camera girl will get to do her slime too sometime.
I want you to do it, Mom. Show your face. We should do a face.
I've seen you show your face in one of them.
Oh.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye. We'll see you in our next video.
And our slime video.
And remember, Dad, you can have fun making slime too.
So nice.